Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to monitor performance of your hardware within Windows. So it's called Performance Monitor, so it's an older program. There's nothing to install. You just download the zip file, extract it, and run the executable like this. And then it'll be running down here, and it'll also put these on your desktop. And then you could get rid of these if you don't like them, which I'll show you in a second here. Otherwise you just kind of hover over it and it'll tell you what's going on. And then down here in the system tray, the CPU will be active by default. So if you right click on any one of these, you could go to the settings. You could have it auto start with Windows or use the pass-through mode so the mouse actions don't interfere. So normally if you go like this, it kind of blocks it off there. But if you turn on this, then it'll go through it. You can even put it behind it too. And then once you turn on pass-through mode, you can't right-click on the icons on the desktop here. You have to go back down here. You can turn that off. Now you could get back to the options here. And of course you can move them around. So if you don't want to see these on the desktop here, you could just pick each one here and uncheck Show This Panel. Same for this. Let's say we want to get rid of all of them off the desktop here. So now they're off the desktop. And so we have just the CPU down here. So if we go back to the settings, we can enable other ones down here in the system tray if we want. Let's say we want memory and disk also. Let's just do them all for fun here. And then you have some other options for each category here. How you want to see it, the color, and that type of thing. All right, so now we have them all down here, and you can just hover over them. And then of course if you go to the taskbar settings, go down to other system tray icons, then you can turn that on here, and that way they'll always be down here and you don't have to do the up arrow. And then of course you could just go back here and turn off the ones you don't want if you don't want to see all of them. Like that. Okay, so I will put a link in the description where you could download Performance Monitor and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.